Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a Bissell vacuum that doesn't suck. What's happening actually is the brush roller has stopped spinning. That's a real simple thing to check, or replace the belt if it is broken. I just thought I'd make a quick video here and show you how easy it is to do that. By the way, this is the Bissell Cleanview Helix. It's very similar to the Bissell Power Force and lots of other vacuum models as well. And these are generic belts that a lot of vacuums use the same one. But let's turn this over and show you how easy it is to fix that. Just press the little release lever, flip this over. Now, sometimes when you turn this over, you'll find a bunch of string or hair picked up by the brush roll, and so it's a good idea to clean that out. But in order to take this plate off, we just need to remove these 5 screws, and those are just a Phillips screw. It's pretty simple. All right, then we can take off this plastic plate or cover right here. Just be careful not to force that or break that. Looks like we have one little plastic piece here missing, but still should work okay. And right away you can see the belt is loose on here. Well, it's broken. So we've got a snapped belt. Let me get another light for you real quick. All right, so here's our new belt. It actually comes in a 2-pack. I'll get a link to these in the description. You just pull this out. You can just take the whole thing out. All right, now putting on the new belt. Now these are real stretchy, kind of like a rubber band. It takes a little bit of force to pull on this, but first get it started around that little motor drive shaft, and then we'll put this end through right there where that lines up. See how that's got like a squared or flat edge? The other side doesn't, it's completely round. Okay, that side's in. So I watched one video and they put the other side on first, but looks a little bit easier for me to get this side on. And then this thing, we just need to spin that so that it lines up and it drops right in. See, it's got 2 square edges and that kind of slides into that channel there. That looks good. And the cover is easy enough to put back on. And then we'll just get those screws started by hand. And then just again, verify that the brush wheel is not bound up and that's spinning just fine. And that's it. And I'm gonna put the other new belt back in here. I'll try to remember where I put this, but chances are if that breaks again, I'll end up having to buy another one because I'll forget where I put this. But super easy fix, and this thing should be as good as new now. Let's give it a quick test drive and verify that everything's working. You can see that that brush is spinning nicely now and working just like it should. So I'm gonna finish vacuuming here, but I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to those belts that I used as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.